Overview of the IELTS Listening Section. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS Listening Section. Whether you're just starting your IELTS journey or looking for a refresher, this video will guide you through the format and what to expect. The IELTS Listening Section tests your ability to understand main ideas, specific details, opinions, and attitudes of speakers. It's designed to mimic real-life situations, so you're essentially testing your skills in understanding English in everyday contexts. Duration. The entire listening section takes approximately 30 minutes, with an additional 10 minutes at the end to transfer your answers. Questions. There are 40 questions in total, spread across 4 sections. Part 1. This involves a conversation between two people set in an everyday context, such as booking a hotel room or discussing daily routines. You might be asked to fill in the blanks, choose the right answer, or match certain pieces of information. Part 2. Here, you'll listen to a monologue set in an everyday social context. It could be about services provided by a company or details about a public place. The type of questions you might face includes map labeling, multiple choice, and short answers. Part 3. This section is a bit more challenging. It involves a conversation between up to 4 people about educational or training topics. Think of university lectures or group discussions. Questions might ask you to complete a diagram, match certain features or ideas, or answer multiple choice questions. Part 4. The final section is a monologue on an academic subject. It's designed to test your ability to follow a lecture or presentation. You might be asked to fill in gaps, match certain features or ideas, or select the right answer from a list. Stay focused. The recordings are only played once. Make sure you're fully attentive. Predict the answer. Before each recording starts, take a quick glance at the questions to get an idea of what information you're listening for. Note-taking. Use the extra time given to jot down answers and notes. But remember, you only get 10 minutes at the end to transfer these to the answer sheet. Watch for distractions. Sometimes, the speaker might give several pieces of information, only one of which is the correct answer. Listen carefully. Understanding the IELTS listening section is crucial for success. It's not just about knowing English, but understanding how the test is structured. We hope this video provides clarity on what to expect and how to approach it. Best of luck, and happy studying!